Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best Pure Magic cleaner is probably one of the most effective cleaning solutions I've ever tested. Today, we're diving deep into this product, exploring its capabilities, and seeing if it lives up to the hype. From tackling tough stains to leaving surfaces sparkling, we'll cover everything you need to know. Get ready as we put Pure Magic Cleaner to the test, and find out if it deserves a spot in your cleaning arsenal. Let's get started. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. This is the Pink Stuff, the ultimate multi-purpose cleaning solution. It tackles tough stains and grime effortlessly, delivering sparkling results on various surfaces. Perfect for kitchen and bathroom surfaces, tiles, glass, and stainless steel. This versatile paste is your go-to cleaner for almost any household mess. It's tough on dirt but gentle on surfaces. The Pink Stuff removes stubborn stains without scratching or damaging, leaving surfaces spotless and shiny. Simply apply a small amount to a damp cloth or sponge, rub gently, and rinse away. It's ideal for everyday cleaning tasks. Enjoy a fresh, clean scent after every use. The Pink Stuff leaves your home not only spotless but also smelling great with its delightful rhubarb fragrance. What we like? This cleaning paste is a true all-rounder, perfect for tackling almost any mess in your home. It's tough on dirt but gentle on surfaces, leaving them sparkling clean. If you're looking for a single product to handle various cleaning tasks, this is the one for you. What people say? Extremely effective on tough dirt and scuffs. Easy to use with minimal scrubbing. It works incredibly well on tough stains and built-up grime that regular cleaners struggle with. Number 4. Weiman Jewelry Cleaner, Restore Shine and Brilliance. Is your favorite jewelry losing its sparkle? Soap, lotion, and styling products can build up over time. This product will bring back the brilliance and shine in minutes. This gentle formula is designed to clean your precious jewelry. It effectively removes dirt and buildup, restoring the original shine. It's safe for various metals and gemstones. Using this cleaner is simple. Just place your jewelry in the cleaning tray and let it soak. Use the included brush if needed, then rinse and dry. Over time, products can dull your jewelry. This cleaner restores your jewelry to like new condition. It's a quick and easy way to keep your pieces looking their best. This cleaner is safe for many gemstones, including diamonds, sapphires, and rubies. However, it is not for use on silver or certain delicate stones like pearls and opals. Always check the instructions. What we like? This jewelry cleaner is designed to bring back the sparkle to your precious pieces. It gently removes dirt and buildup, restoring brilliance in minutes. If you have jewelry that's lost its shine, this product will make it look like new again. What people say? Very easy to use, just put the items into the basket and lower them into the solution. The small brush included is nice for cleaning tiny spaces and crevices. My rings and necklaces come out looking a lot shinier, almost like they were cleaned at a jewelry store. Number 3. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Bathroom Foam Cleaner 750 ml. Introducing the Pink Stuff Bathroom Foam Cleaner. It's specially formulated to fight tough stains and grime. This product will leave your bathroom sparkling clean with minimal effort. The easy-to-use foam spray clings to surfaces. This allows for maximum contact time to break down dirt and soap scum. Just spray it on, let it work, and wipe it clean. It's perfect for tiles, sinks, tubs, showers, and even toilet exteriors. This one product handles all your bathroom cleaning needs. Effectively removes stubborn limescale, soap scum, and hard water stains. You'll get shiny, clean surfaces without harsh scrubbing. Achieve a streak-free, polished finish on all bathroom surfaces. The Pink Stuff ensures a spotless, gleaming bathroom after every use. Enjoy a fresh and clean-smelling bathroom. The Pink Stuff leaves a pleasant fragrance that enhances the overall cleanliness. Despite its powerful cleaning capabilities, it's gentle on surfaces. It's safe for use on delicate bathroom fixtures and fittings. What we like? This bathroom foam cleaner is specially formulated to tackle tough bathroom stains with ease. The foam clings to surfaces, breaking down grime and soap scum. If you want a sparkling clean bathroom without harsh scrubbing, you should consider it. What people say. I have used this cleaner on multiple surfaces, including granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and glass shower doors, and it has performed exceptionally well on all of them. It effectively removes grease, grime, and water spots, leaving surfaces sparkling clean. The spray bottle design is user-friendly and provides a fine mist, which helps to avoid oversaturation. Number 2. Uproot Clean Washing Machine Cleaner Tablets, 24-pack. Tired of a dirty washing machine? These tablets completely refresh the drum, valves, hose pipes, seals, and filters. It's easy to use and leaves everything clean. Does your laundry still smell like pets? These tablets use special ingredients to destroy bad odors. Every load will come out perfectly fresh. Dealing with pet hair in your machine? The active enzymes in these tablets help dissolve hair and fur. This reduces clogs and buildup. Want to protect your washing machine? These tablets work in front load, top load, and he machines. They provide lasting protection with minimal effort. Is your machine full of grime and residue? These tablets effortlessly cut through built-up fats and other residue. They simply work. Make sure the washing machine is empty. Put one tablet directly into the drum, not the detergent compartment. Then, run a normal or hot water cycle. What we like? These washing machine cleaner tablets are a must-have for pet owners. They eliminate odors and reduce pet hair accumulation, keeping your machine running smoothly. If you have pets, this product will help maintain a fresh and clean laundry environment. What people say? Works great. I hadn't cleaned my machine for a while, but these tablets got rid of the smell and is very clean. It cleaned. The washer smells fine. I put a tab in and it worked. I was amazed that not only did it make my washing machine smell good, it actually cleaned it and is not operating as it should without spending hundreds of dollars. I highly recommend. This product works and is so easy to use. Number 1. Invigorated Water pH Restore Alkaline Water Pitcher. This pitcher, made with strong borosilicate glass, features a pH 001 alkaline filter. It removes impurities and heavy metals while retaining beneficial minerals, increasing the pH level up to 10. With a bamboo lid and anti-slip base, this alkaline filter jug is designed for reliability and ease of use. Just fill it with tap water, and you'll have refreshing, great-tasting water. Each pitcher can filter up to 3.5 L of water, perfect for home or office use. The pH water filter lasts up to 400 L, providing you with plenty of clean water. It helps reduce your reliance on plastic bottled water, saving you money and benefiting the environment. It's also made from high-quality, BPA-free, food-grade materials. Combine this alkaline water pitcher with other products, like the pH Recharge Alkaline Water Machine. Use this pitcher for drinking water and give yourself a boost. What we like? This alkaline water pitcher provides crisp, clean, high pH water. It removes impurities while retaining essential minerals. If you like refreshing, great-tasting water and want to reduce plastic waste, this is a great choice. What people say? The water from this pitcher, on the other hand, tastes incredibly smooth, almost buttery on your tongue, in a great way. The pitcher is so aesthetically pleasing. Love this glass pitcher. The filter fills up quickly, the water tastes good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.